We got a reservation. Oh! Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today, you guys. Look behind me. I am on deck 18 on the beautiful Disney Adventure, and guess what? We're about to ride the Ironcycle Test Run. We got a reservation. I'm so excited. Thanks to our concierge host, we had no stress, no anything. It just magically appeared on our app. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing, like the Ironcycle Test Run. Like and subscribe, click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. If you want this type of elevated service, expertise, and tips, contact me today. Now let's go get on this roller coaster at sea. Here it comes. I'm just gonna wait here so you can see it. There it goes. Here she comes. Okay, I found it. Ironcycle Test Run. So we're gonna go upstairs here. Here we are. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be great. Yay! Here's our reservation, our app, and then we're going to check in. Here we go. Okay.
Yeah, and then you can come straight back to it.
Travel agent tip. To ride the Ironcycle, you have to have on straps on your shoes. So make sure that you don't have on flip-flops, you've got on straps. So going back to the room now, changing and coming back. Ironcycle Test Run is right around this corner, and we're gonna have to put everything in a locker. Ironcycle Test Run. Woo! There they go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
When you go and sit on the vehicle, make sure you put your feet flat on the floor. Keep your legs straight, please, just like that. Okay? Just a normal sitting position.
Are you so excited?
Nice glass.
Thank you. This should be fun.
Yes.
Where do your feet go, like this?
You can just put your feet down and lock your seat. Yep.
This good?
Made for a dress, eh?
When you lock your seat, then it's going to be okay.
Prepare for launch. Enjoy the ride.
Right. Don't wear a dress. Here we go.
Interface controls deactivated.
Oh my God!
Woo!
Oh my God! This is
Oh! Oh! Woo!
Let's go another round. Stand by.
Are you doing that?
Awesome.
Ooh, man.
Awesome. All right. All right. Oh, we did it. Awesome.
So much fun. Oh my God. So much fun. Don't wear a dress. What fun! I hope you enjoyed our tour. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Now, did you hear about Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your Disney cruise? No worries, I can still help. If you book directly with Disney, it's been less than 30 days, and you have not made your final payment, email me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. I can transfer your existing reservation under my care. And fun fact, we have started a Disney Cruise Line Facebook concierge page. Come chat Disney Cruise Line Concierge with our community. You can search for us on Facebook at Disney Cruise Line Concierge VIP Insiders. It would be our pleasure to have you join our community. See you real soon from the Disney Adventure. Bon voyage!